friends. Happy Wednesday to you. Happy fall. I can't believe it. I'm so excited, you guys. This is one of my favorite seasons. My birthday's this season. Thanksgiving is coming up. I'm just super delighted to be cold, y'all. I'm ready to stop sweating. Although today is gonna be 99 here in Sacramento. So I'm wearing this because I just want it to look cozy for you. Today's video is gonna be a vlog of my Trader Joe's fall haul. I like to get my refrigerator and pantry ready and set for some fall goodies for food for my family, and I did some shopping at Trader Joe's if you want to see what I bought. Also, I will be sharing with you how I do a little fall floral arrangement. The flowers I got were also from Trader Joe's. I love getting flowers at Trader Joe's. I think they're really well priced and they're beautiful. And I'm going to share with you how I break them up and make them into several little arrangements for around the house. I'm also going to do a little bit of cleaning and organizing. The video that's coming up is how I decorated for fall. Let me know on the comment down below if there's anything that you would like to see. Let me know if you have any ideas for fall content that you would like. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, my name is Libier. Welcome. I am so grateful that you're here. Please consider subscribing to my channel. We're growing. I think we're almost at like 640 subscribers. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Don't take you for granted. I pray for each and every one of you, and I'm super grateful to create content that brings your life value. My hope with my channel is that I would inspire and encourage you to live your everyday life free and knowing that you are wonderful and beautiful and belong right this minute and that you're enough. I would also love to give you inspiration to get better and better and better each day so that you will feel confident and courageous and free. Let's get ready for fall. So my niece Samantha told me everything about everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend. I'm like really excited to give it a shot. Thank you, Sammy. I got everyday seasoning and it comes with a little grinder. I also picked up this chili and lime seasoning blend. I thought that would be a good addition to our spices because we love chili and lime. And then I got myself some herbs because I think having fresh herbs is just so nice. I am going to commit myself to using them. Now I also got this pumpkin butter. This looks so good. Gluten-free pumpkin pancake mix. My friend Teresa just pinned a little ghost pancake on Pinterest and I thought that was so cute. So I'm gonna make that for the kids and then probably have this with it. These red lentil pasta, I'm excited to try it out because lentils are such a good source of something. I also love smoothies and I know of a smoothie with pumpkin puree in it and it's gonna be so good. I also picked up some grilled artichoke halves. I've never had that on hand. I love smoked salmon, you guys. Smoked salmon and avocado toast is my jam. I love sweet potato. I like to have them just for dinners, but I also just learned a recipe for a sweet potato thing that you can make that tastes just like you're having the most delicious and decadent dessert, but it's very healthy for you and it's good for your tummy and your body. I've also never had these Persian cucumbers. I thought they'd be fun to try out. And then I picked up this miso and ginger broth, jalapeno sauce, and last but not least, this Dijon mustard, which I think my husband kind of likes Dijon mustard, so I was excited to, oh, and these little vegetable pastas as well. I thought they were very festive and the colors are beautiful. Did you know that by taking the butt of a butter knife and gently hitting the top of a can or whatever you can't open, oh my gosh, it works every time, you guys. It works every time, seriously. I'm doing smoked salmon and avocado toast. I got this little guy on Amazon. My husband gave it to me as a gift. Thank you, Doug. You are amazing and I love it. I use it so much. Watch this. Ho ho! Got you out, Pit. Now watch this. Little rajitas. Guapa! Easiest avocado toast of your life. That was incredible. I'm gonna link that down below for you because if you love avocado, totally worth it. love to do is to put my limes and lemons in the little bowl. I think it looks so pretty, and I put it in the center of my table, and it reminds me to use them. I really like this bowl. I got it at Target by Chrissy Teigen. So cute. Good job, Target. Ah! It's a party. I'm gonna be taking off all of these and washing them. So I got these. I've got quite a few. I'm going to share with you how I take all of these apart and make it a nice and beautiful, cohesive fall arrangement. I like to lay them all down and cut them all up at once and see what I've got to work with. I also love doing greenery because it really does last a very long time as well. Important to utilize the little packets that you get with the flowers. It really does give them longevity. I like to pour it in, and then I definitely mix it with a spoon so that it can get all seeped together. Then after I've laid all of them down, I cut all of them, I took off all the little rubber bands. I like to start with what gave me the inspiration. So these were the ones that gave me the inspiration for this look. So I start with that. And it's important to cut the flower at a slant. I just play around and put them in. If I don't like the height or the length of them, I go ahead and take them out and just cut a little bit and see what happens. Kind of like trial and error. And I like to have a lot of flowers down below, and then I create height at the end. This one turned out so pretty. I love how minimalist it looks, but it's still reminding me of fall vibes. This one came out so pretty. Oh my gosh, I just love that. I love how they all look so different in different vases. You can tell there's just a different vibe for all of them. And I just, I didn't go out and buy any new vases. I just shopped around my house and realized I had some things that I could use. Getting a little inspired. I'm not taking a break. Just getting inspired. Just, I just got a PR package that I want to open up with you and show you just a little bit of the products that got sent to me, because I am going to be doing a TV segment on fall beauty very soon. So I'm collecting samples and editing all of the things that come to me and trying them out for you guys, and I'm picking and editing what I will be sharing on the segment. Ooh, Go-To Skincare, one of my favorite brands. Thank you so much. This, you guys, is my favorite oil I've ever tried, ever. It's called Face Hero. This, and the little dropper now on the one that I have doesn't even get to the bottom of the oil, so I'm just like pouring the oil on my hand, and I'm like, come on. So I'm super grateful and excited that I have a replenishment of that. What else? They sent over a Kristen S medium detangling brush. Oh my goodness. Don't mind me, I'm just brushing my hair with my gold. It's not really gold, you guys. It's really lightweight actually, which I really like. It seems like it's like, but no, it's a really nice weight, and I like the handle. Ooh, Kristen S. I love it. Oh, yes. This dry conditioner is so good. My daughter, my 6-year-old, she goes into my room and like sprays sprays it to death in her hair. And I know that she has used mine because it smells so good. Oh, it just smells so good. It has oil and odor absorbing properties, UV and heat protection. To avoid damage, give this a few seconds to dry before using a hot tool. Good to know. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. But this guy is so good. Not just because it leaves your hair really, really, really soft. It's really nice for my daughters, you know, to spray that on them and then I can brush their hair. They don't complain. Oh, I got this little Flesh flip book and it has 100 makeup papers. What is that? Take your glow on the go. Simply tear off a sheet, infuse with blush, bronzer, or highlighter and sweep it on your face, cheeks, collarbone, and the legs. Oh my gosh, I thought these were like blotting little thingies. No, oh my gosh, look. Okay, let's try it. I think this one's supposed to be the highlighter. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, wow, you guys. This is the future. There, I just redid my blush with the little sheet. Flesh, you're amazing. Your little flip book is so cute. Oh my gosh, it reminds me of, I had a flip book from Disney and you went like this. You guys remember those when you went like that? And then it had the little drawings in it. I don't know, that's incredible how the sequence of them makes them move. Anyway, that reminded me of, oh, that would be a really cool Flash if you did that. Like, get an artist to design something for you and you can do a little flip book that has a cartoon, you know? Just thinking here, just thinking. Okay, what are these? These are Flesh Pot Eye and Cheek Gloss. Ooh, they're very sparkly. These are awesome. Oh, this is called Disco Nap. Cheek gloss. Ooh, I don't know if I need more gloss, but why not? Why not? Woo-wee. That looks so pretty. It's like a little jelly. I can't wait to try these out. Hourglass. Iridescent Flash Blush. Ooh, that's beautiful. Ooh, that's beautiful. And then, got this Hourglass. Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. My favorite brow pencil has been from Benefit and I'm about to test this out in some upcoming Insta stories. So if you don't follow me on Instagram and you like just some makeup inspiration, I do lots of I do my makeup on Insta stories quite a bit on Instagram. I will go ahead and review that and use it there. You guys can check it out. I'm excited. And that is all, my beloved friends. Thank you so much for watching my getting ready to decorate for fall, and I hope that you enjoyed the Trader Joe's haul, how I make my little flower arrangement. I hope that this video encourages and inspires you to be exactly where you're at. I share all these things, but it's definitely with a very loose hand, knowing all of it is God's and we don't need any of it to have a cozy atmosphere or a great attitude. I just want you to know that I know what it's like to not have, and I don't want any of you to watch my videos and ever feel like you're not enough or that you have to have everything that I do in order to X, Y, and Z. I just want to put that out there because I know sometimes when we watch these videos, that's sometimes what we can think or feel, but I hope that what you feel is hope, and that I'm transmitting hope and joy and contentment to you, and that I'm just inspiring you to give intentionality to the life that you have right this very minute. I love you so very much. I look forward to seeing you next week. Adios!